Have you ever found yourself staring up at the night sky, those twinkling stars whispering the vast secrets of the universe? It's a mesmerizing sight, isn't it? You might feel a gentle pull toward the mysteries out there, just as I often do. As a child, I remember lying in my backyard on cool summer nights, the grass tickling my skin as I listened to the symphony of crickets. I'd gaze up at the blanket of stars, peppered across the inky sky, and wonder what it would be like to float among them. Back then, the idea of space travel seemed like pure magic, a realm of science fiction and daring explorers. Yet here we are today, living in a world profoundly shaped by the very technologies developed to explore that vast, starry expanse. Let's take a leisurely stroll through everyday life to see how space technology influences it in ways you might not expect. Imagine waking up in the morning and reaching for your phone to check the weather. Ever wonder how that information instantly appears at your fingertips? It's thanks to satellites, those metallic birds that circle our planet, quietly keeping watch. They gather data on cloud patterns, atmospheric pressures, and temperatures, helping meteorologists predict whether you'll need an umbrella or sunglasses. It's like having a cosmic weatherman whose reports cross time zones and borders. And that's just the beginning. Picture yourself in your car, navigating through busy city streets with the help of GPS. Yes, those directions telling you when to turn left or right come courtesy of satellites too. It's quite something to think that every time you hear that voice guiding you, it's a result of intricate dance between satellites and ground stations, all orchestrated to ensure you reach your destination without a hiccup. Just think, without these celestial helpers, road trips might still rely on paper maps and the occasional, "Are we there yet?" But space technology does more than just guide you through traffic and offer weather updates. It's also making a difference in ways that touch the core of human life. Consider healthcare. Some of the advanced medical imaging techniques we rely on today, like CT scans and MRI machines, borrow their technology from space exploration. The keen eye for detail needed to examine distant planets and stars has found its way into our hospitals, allowing doctors to peer into the depths of the human body with incredible precision. It's as if the universe, in all its vastness, has lent us tools to better understand our own microcosmic worlds. And then there's communication. Remember those days when calling someone in another country required long, expensive phone calls, often riddled with poor reception? Thanks to communication satellites, those barriers have largely vanished. Today, we can video chat with friends or family across the globe as if they were sitting right next to us. I recall a family reunion where my cousin living abroad joined us virtually. There we were, laughing and sharing stories, the distance between us a mere illusion. It was a reminder of how space technology has woven our lives closer together, bridging oceans and continents. Even our understanding of Earth itself has been enriched by what we've learned from space. Satellites keep a vigilant eye on environmental changes, tracking deforestation, glacier melts, and ocean currents. This information is crucial in our efforts to protect the planet, offering a bird's-eye view of changes that are invisible to us on the ground. In a way, exploring space has made us caretakers of our own world, reminding us of our shared responsibility to cherish and preserve it. As we continue to look outward, dreaming of Mars settlements and deep space travel, it's worth pondering how these endeavors might further transform our lives. Will new materials invented for spacecraft find their way into our homes, making them more sustainable or energy efficient? Will the quest to sustain life in space lead to breakthroughs in renewable energy or food production here on Earth? The possibilities stretch out before us like a cosmic tapestry, each thread woven from the dreams and curiosities of those who dare to look beyond. When I think about space, it's not just the technology that fascinates me, but the spirit of exploration it represents. It speaks to a deeper, almost poetic urge within us to reach out, to uncover the unknown, to connect with something greater. Just as our ancestors sat around campfires, sharing tales of the stars, we too are part of that timeless tradition, seeking understanding and meaning among the stars. As I wrap up this journey through the impact of space technology on our lives, I invite you to step outside tonight, if you can, and look up. Let the stars remind you of the wonders we've achieved, the challenges we continue to face, and the infinite potential that lies ahead. The night sky is a silent storyteller, and we, as part of this universe, are both the listeners and the narrators of the next chapters. And who knows, perhaps the next great leap in space technology will come from the curiosity and dreams sparked under those very stars.